आज के वीडियो में हम लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म की स्टडी करने वाले हैं। सो लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म की डेफिनेशन यस लैप्लास ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी डिफाइन किया गया है 0 to infinity e power minus s t f of t dt and we denoted by f bar of s where s is the parameter. So by this definition we can easily find the Laplace transform of some elementary functions. So first होता है Laplace transform of any constant k is a k upon s where k is a constant. K is constant. Secondly होता है Laplace transform of exponential e power minus at. So Laplace of e power minus at होता है 1 upon s plus a. Laplace of e power minus at is 1 upon s plus a. Third one is Laplace of e power at is 1 upon s minus a. Fourth है Laplace transform of sin of at. Laplace of sin at is a upon s square plus a square. Fifth is Laplace transform of cos at is s upon s square plus a square. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic at. Laplace of sin hyperbolic at is a upon s square minus a square. Next one is Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at is s upon s square minus a square. Next है 8 the Laplace transform of t power n. So Laplace of t power n is gamma of n plus 1 upon s power n plus 1. और Laplace of t power n इसे n factorial upon s power n plus 1 भी लिखा जाता है. So this one is used for if n is an integer. N is an integer.